Hi guys, I put a question out on my Instagram grid this morning with a post to ask what tutorials you would like to see me do next. And somebody's actually asked me to do a smooth blow dry, but half of my hair using the Supersonic and half of my hair using the Airwrap so that they could see the difference. I think they're probably just trying to decide on whether they want to buy the Supersonic or the Airwrap. So I'm going to do that, but also what I'm doing is I'm actually trialing some new products that I've been sent. It's a range called Blonde Life by Joico. I've already shampooed my hair and conditioned it. I've used the brightening shampoo, which is this one here, and the brightening conditioner. And it actually feels really nice. The conditioner feels lovely. It's really quite a nice thick conditioner. It makes your hair feel really nice, but it's obviously to protect the blonde in your hair so you don't go too brassy. I'm also going to apply now some of the Blonde Life brightening veil. Now this is a spray that you put on when your hair's damp to protect it from the UV it protects it from the UV in the sun, and it will stop your colour from fading. So I'm just going to spritz a little bit of this all over my hair. It's also got a detangling agent in, so it'll help to detangle hair if you've got tangled hair, and it just gives it a little bit of extra conditioning on top. And then finally, product I'm going to use to help my style is the Brilliant Tone Violet Smoothing Foam, which is a mousse. It's got a violet colour to it, so what that will do is that will neutralise any brassy tones in my hair. Any blonde hair can sometimes get a little bit brassy, so by putting on either like a purple shampoo or a purple mousse, it works like a toner, and what that will do is that will neutralise, the purple will neutralise any brassy colours in your hair and make it look a lot more silver as opposed to golden. So, and then I'm just going to comb that through. So I've only put a little bit of mousse on because, as you know, I don't like too much product on my hair because my hair is quite fine and it can make it a little bit too producty, which gives it a bit, makes it quite heavy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to blast dry my hair all over until it's about 80% dry, and then I shall finish half of it off with the Supersonic, and the other half I will use the Airwrap, but I'm going to use the round brush. So basically I'm doing the same on both sides, using a brush in the Supersonic and then the brush attachment on the Airwrap. So I'll start just by blast drying my hair. I've got the smoothing attachment on. I'm just going to blast dry my hair now. So now my hair is 80% dry. I'm just going to comb it through again. And then I'm going to section it in the middle, because don't forget I'm going to do half with Airwrap and half with Supersonic. So I'm going for a centre parting. I normally wear a centre parting, but I'm going to part it all the way down the back. And this side I shall do with the Airwrap. So I'm going to tie that up out the way. Keep that bit out of the way. And then this I shall section off the back bit first and do the underneath. So about that much. And then tie this up out of the way. It's easier to do it in sections and keep it out of the way. And then I shall put my narrow attachment on, the styling concentrator. And I'm actually going to start off by using the large barrel brush for the underneath sections, and then I shall change and use the smaller barrel to do the front, to give it more volume. And then I'm just going to go around the ends again, just blow dry those ends under. As you can see, I've already got that volume around the front and on the top of my head. But then just to curl the ends under slightly, we'll just give it a bit more thickness around the bottom. So that's the side I've blow dried with Supersonic. It looks a bit odd now, doesn't it? It looks like I've just come out of Human League from the 80s. And then I'm going to do the other side using the airbrush with the round brush on the end. So again, I'm going to do it exactly the same way. I'm going to take a section underneath and I'm going to take this up away and out of the way. And I'm going to use the full airflow and I'm going to use the medium temperature setting. I'm just going to start blow drying it underneath the same way I did with the brush on the inside. So that's the both sides done. Supersonic side versus Airwrap side. I really like both looks. It depends on what you're going to go for. I would normally just use the Supersonic and occasionally use the Airwrap. But yeah, I'm quite liking the volume. I really like the result. And this mousse feels lovely. The Blonde Life Joico mousse. Doesn't feel like I've got any product in my hair, but it gives it that nice little bit of texture just to give it the extra volume and hold. But then equally on the smooth side, it doesn't look like I've got too much product in the hair. It just feels really, really nice. So I'm pleased with that. So I shall carry on using that, but that's a really good one because it has given me that really nice hold and volume that I struggle to get with my hair because my hair's so fine. And because I don't like to use too much product in my hair, I don't tend to, but if I can find one that's really good for my hair, there's a couple that I do really like and that I recommend all the time. But yeah, I'm liking this one, and obviously because it's got that violet element as well, it's going to keep my hair looking nice and fresh and blonde. So yeah, looks great. Pleased with that. That's the two different sides using both tools, so it's entirely up to you which one you prefer. I like both. So yeah, but I do think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this side with the Airwrap, so I've got more of a full look for later on today.